Hello friend, how are you? Welcome to my new update video of Class Pathshala. Today we will find out the sum of 7 plus 77 plus 777 plus dot up to n terms. Let's n equal to 7 plus 77 plus 777 plus dot up to n terms. Okay, we common 7 by 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 1 plus dot up to n terms. We multiply by 9 equal to 9 plus 9 9 plus 9 9 9 plus dot up to n terms equal to, we can write 10 minus 1 here. 10 minus 1 equal to 9 here. 100 minus 1 equal to 99 plus 1000 minus 1 equal to 99 plus dot up to n terms. Okay, here we can write 7 by 9. We can write 10 plus 10 100 plus 1000 plus dot up to n terms, and we can write 1 1 1 n terms, so n. Okay, now we can write 10 plus 10 square. 10 square equal to 100 and 10 cube equal to 1000 plus dot up to n terms minus n. Here we use a formula that we know, r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1 minus n. Here a equal to 100, r equal to here a equal to 10 and r equal to proportion second term by first term. 100 by 10 equal to 10, so we can write 7 by 9 by here 10 by 10 to the power n minus 1 by 10 minus 1 minus n. Okay, 7 by 9 10 by 10 to the power n minus 1 by 9 minus n equal to 7 by 81 by into 10 by 10 to the power n minus 1 minus n. It is the summation of 7 plus 7 plus 77 plus 777 plus dot up to n terms. Okay,